Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's take a look at some wheel cleaning today. And we're going to get this rim cleaned up. It looks kind of grungy. So we got our Wheel Eez Detail Pro and just a sock, old socks that I use that have holes in them, because I'm going to throw them out. I'm using one time and throw them away. Let's see how we can do here. See if we can get some clean wheels going here. Jeez, holy mackerel. It's on the 15 Escape. I'm going to soak it right up and clean it right off. It says to use it just like this. See what you think when we get done. Get in all the nooks and crannies. Look at that. Already. It's already getting nicer. These are the 19-inch wheels, so you want to keep them nice and super clean. Wow. Looking good. Looking good. This is fascinating, isn't it? Look, I love doing this. You should keep them clean, right? Spend a lot of money in your car. Why people don't keep it clean is just beyond me, you know? Do some work to it every once in a while. Just can't just run it through a wash, 3 times a year and think like you're doing something to it. They're super expensive. Look at that. That's a huge difference. Look at all this that came off already. Okay, so don't think like, this doesn't do anything. It does. Get the stuff at wheeleez.com. And they're not paying me to say this or anything, okay? I just use it, I like it. Got to get in there, right? Because you're going to throw this sock out, right? You're throwing this away anyway, so what's the difference? Nice and clean. Somebody said, oh, you wear that? No. Okay, look. Don't wear it first, right? I wash it. It is one of my old socks. I just wash it and then get it clean. Then clean up your wheel. And that looks great. Does a great job. Just that little bit. And you can always then look in your wheels and see, oh, do I have a nick? Or is there something? Did my wife, run something over? Or I need to clean it out? Anything? Get it fixed. All right. Well, that looks much better. Mucho better for my friends south of the border. All right, what do you think? And what do you think? And that only took a couple minutes. That only took, 3 minutes. Sock ruined. Throw it away. Do that. Just wash, rinse, and repeat on all 4 of your tires. And they're going to look a lot better on your wheels. And it's going to look a lot better, all right? Okay there. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more.